Hello guys, welcome. That's a G shot for you, and we are here with two beautiful girls. One is a G63 owner and one is G580 owner, a electric version. So yeah, let's go on a drive and let us take their perspective, what they think about this car. Hi Anu.
Hi.
So this is
Hope you had fun.
I loved this car.
How's the car?
It's too good. It's better
nice.
than G63. I'm sorry, Nami, but yeah, this is better than G63.
That's actually true.
I think I also will like this. I do like electric cars.
So here what we will do, first let us take the ideas or impressions or what she likes or hates from the current G580 owner. Then we'll ask the G63 owner to try this car and think or ask her what she thinks. So Anu, how long has it been since you've got this car?
It's been 2 months. I used to drive Macan before.
Oh,
I was every time against electric vehicles or something as such. But the moment when I started driving G-Wagon, G580, it's amazing. I would say it's really nice.
what was the last car you said? Macan?
Yeah.
What was the Macan?
Normal.
Normal petrol
Yeah,
Macan,
yeah, petrol
right?
Macan. Fuel.
So, oh, that sounds beautiful. I think
yeah,
it's a V6.
that's my favorite car.
So, do you miss the sound now?
Sort of little, but no.
But
I would say it's
no
as
regrets
equal
of
as, yeah,
not filling the petrol tank to the full.
exactly.
So, coming to the petrol, how do you enjoy or not enjoy the range anxiety? Do you have that, or are you comfortable
So
with whatever?
I think the range in this is around 400 to 450.
Okay.
So I usually drive in the city, so I don't think it'll be a really big problem for me.
Ever taken it out of the city?
Yeah. So we have a farms which is like 150 kilometers from here. So we take it daily or like 2 days.
So, never had a trouble going
no,
and coming
never
back?
as such, never.
So, while
It's
coming
really
back,
peaceful.
little anxiety while entering the city?
No anxiety, nothing as such. It's
Oh.
really nice.
That's such a relief. So, other than petrol, what are the other differences from a petrol Macan to this? What do you like about this compared to that Macan?
It's very smooth.
Okay,
Not that Macan is not smooth, but this is very smooth. I haven't expected at all.
I understand that.
Yeah. Lovely.
Anything more you want to add about the interiors? What is your favorite part in the interiors?
This Bengal red color.
Yeah.
It's amazing along with the black.
This is
I'm sure
Bengal
you must
red.
have seen the interior color.
Yes,
Yeah.
whoever spec this have done
It's
a
my brother.
beautiful job.
It's my brother. He's as equal mad about cars like how you are.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can't wait to meet him.
Yeah.
So, anything else that you miss in this car that you have expected and that isn't there?
Maybe the range. I was expecting it will be around 600 at least, but
Okay.
maybe in the future G they might be increasing the range.
Yes, I'm also
yeah,
pretty
even
sure
I'm expecting for that.
once it is 600, all the
I
other
will
cars
definitely
will
buy another G.
just... You'll upgrade, you say.
Yeah, definitely.
How is the driving position to you?
Oh, it's lovely. Initially, I was like, why is the car so huge? Will I be able to drive or not? But like, it's lovely. The moment you step in, you don't even feel like it's so huge and all.
True, very true. It wraps around you very
Oh,
well.
there's another one going.
Yeah, that's a G450 diesel version.
Oh,
So,
I
hope you guys enjoy this drive. We are currently in the city of Pearls, Hyderabad, in the city center. This is Durgam Chergu. Even in the city, Anu seems to be very confident, and she's putting the pedal to the metal, and the car flies. Did you anytime have a complaint about the height of this car? Was it easy for you to get in and out?
maybe from my mom, but apart from that, yeah. No.
But this car, as I've shown you, have got a beautiful side step, which
Yeah.
is very handy for adults
We have
also
got
to get in.
customized it and got that stepper.
Is it standard for all the G580s, or is it
It's
an
not
option
standard. Maybe
Uh-huh.
we can keep that option as well. We just
given
custom-
by the dealer or outside addition?
outside edition.
Okay, got it.
Sunday morning.
early morning drive, enjoying this beautiful car.
Yeah.
Let us show you all the sound system that this car has. It's got Atmos 3D surround permister, which has got speakers on the top and all. Let us not play anything so that we get a copyright strike, but I'm pretty sure this is the best sound system fitted to a four-wheeler. The carbon weave that I was talking about is this, and the light hits correctly, the button looks killer, and it's got nice leather everywhere, and two huge screens for the rear entertainment. So ever sat in the back seat?
Yeah.
What do you
I
like
did.
more?
When you were driving, I sat behind only.
What do you like more, driving or being seated?
Of course,
and
driving
driven?
anytime.
Uh-huh.
But it's as equal as comfortable in the behind as well.
Yes, these seats are very comfortable.
Pretty comfy, yeah.
And surprisingly, you have a very good.
How is it? You have to tell because
Yes.
you're sitting behind.
I'm very comfortable here,
Yeah.
but I'm unfortunately sitting in the middle seat, so not that great for now.
Yeah.
But yeah, when I was
Yeah.
sitting on the correct seats,
Yeah.
I was comfortable. So whenever you feel like stopping, let's get the G63 lady onto the steering and ask her about.
Lovely. Even I want to hear their reviews.
Yes, I'm also excited because she's been driving that car for a while now.
Yeah.
Let's think, or let's ask her what she thinks. I'm pretty sure she'll be surprised by the comfort of this car.
Okay.
So this is Namita. She's back in the driving seat. She's the current G63 owner. Let's ask her what she thinks about this car. So this is the first time she's driving this car. So these are first-hand impressions of hers. What do you think?
I love it.
What do you love?
The seat is very comfortable. It's up. I feel like I'm on the top of the road.
Yes, you are
And-
liking what is unique to G-Class, not
Yes.
G580.
Okay.
So tell me what you like about this G580. What is the
It's-
first thing that you noticed once you were driving this car?
I don't know, something seems different. It's definitely quiet. I'm a fan of silent cars. I'm actually a fan of EVs now.
Uh-huh.
I've started to like electric cars more.
Okay.
And the fact that I don't know, if you just raise it,
Yeah.
it's very fast. It's much faster than regular diesel or petrol engines.
That's a great point. Unlike a petrol engine, you don't have turbo boost or turbo lag to wait for. In this electric, it is all instantaneous.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
exactly.
a good point. That is the one thing you observed. Yes,
Yeah.
I agree with you. But the second thing, how would you like the no vibration G63, so G-Class?
I love it. I actually love it. I think that's something boys enjoy usually, the sounds and all the vibration. But I personally like a really calm, stable car.
Okay, anything more?
Do you want to switch your car with mine?
Yes.
Everybody, once they get into the seat, especially early in the morning, they'll fall in love with it, because no sane person wants to be vibrated and jiggled around early in the morning like that you happen to have in G63. Anything else that you observe is very different from G63?
I think except the engine sound, everything else is pretty much similar.
That's a compliment to the G580, which says you feel this is G63 minus sound, right?
Yeah. But it doesn't feel like I'm sitting in a huge car. I have to step up and all. I got in pretty comfortably. I got out pretty comfortably. So I think for a small person, I personally love big cars. And I'm enjoying this. I think this is the best car you can get in an SUV. And even for a girl, it's super comfortable. I feel like the seat is made for me.
Nice. So what do you think about the range? Even in G63, we happen to have range anxiety because that car returns 2 kilometers to a liter, which is a
Yes.
hole in a pocket. I think this is a nice range anxiety to have rather than every time filling or burning your pocket. What do you say about
I
it?
love that fact. I think I love that point. Rather than filling our tanks regularly, I think it's better to charge once, and especially for me, I drive mostly in the city, so I don't think I would have range anxiety at all. But I think 450 is great. Not great, but yes, I think it's okay, it's acceptable.
Yeah. And what do you think about the suspension in this car?
I think it's amazing.
Is it different
My
to
God.
G63? You find any difference?
It's actually better, yes.
On the softer side, you say?
Yes, it's much softer, yes.
And I think your steering and this steering are a tad different.
Is this a little smaller?
Yeah, it's a little smaller, and you happen to miss those two dials on the steering, which are to control your suspension and the acceleration. I mean, like the modes.
Yeah, okay.
So, how is the smaller steering feeling?
It's little weird. I don't know if it's uncomfortable or comfortable, but it's fine. Yes, I've been noticing that.
Okay. Isn't it great to drive a G63 without disturbing all the early morning joggers for a change?
Yeah. I love Sunday morning drives in Hyderabad. It's great. But see how there's traffic even now.
How is it for you to drive in the traffic, this big G-Class?
I'm used to it. I'm used to driving in traffic. It's comfortable. It's not bad.
Does the fact that you can see all the corners of the car help?
Yes,
Can
obviously
you see,
for
can
a
you see the
girl,
front of the bonnet?
not really.
Okay.
But because we have all the indicators, I think I'm pretty comfortable.
So how is the acceleration? Does it feel much more powerful
Yes,
than the G63, or does it feel the same?
it's very light. I don't know, powerful. I think it is, but it's very light. It's just going. It feels like I'm flying. It's effortless.
Nice. So Anu, what do you think about Namita's reactions about this car?
It's quite surprising hearing from a petrol car owner, but I'm actually very surprised to hear that.
That I like it.
Yeah.
I was pretty confident that once she get into this car, she'll start
She'll like
liking
yeah,
this
yeah,
more.
yeah, true that.
Because the way this car feels, unlike the only thing the G63 was missing is the refinement. This car has got tons of it. Being electric helps it a lot. I mean, it's subtly driving you at a speed, subtly throwing you in the corners, which G63 never does. G63 is never subtle.
Hey, don't say so much negative also.
It's not negative. See, sports cars are made for that.
Yeah.
People want to be thrown here and there.
Yeah, true.
Sports car being silent and luxurious is a G-Class. G580 is doing that effortlessly, is what I'm trying to say.
Yes, definitely.
If I say anything negative about G63, all my subscribers are gonna kill me because they love G63 a lot, and most of my high views are for Range Rover V6 and G63
Yeah,
V8.
I know you love it too.
I love it too.
Yes.
But this car, why I like this car a lot is, for 1 crore cheaper, it's doing everything we
It's
want.
doing everything. Yes, it's absolutely worth the money.
And it's going to not burn our pockets every time we rev it.
Yes.
What more can you ask for? So that is it, guys. This is the beautiful Namita and Anu giving us the review of this car and comparing it with the G63. So let us see you in the next video. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.